welcome. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your mouth. Imagine you are sitting in a quiet, sunlit room. There is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to be. Focus on your breath. Like a plant reaching for the light, feel your spine grow tall and light. Notice the stillness of the stones beside you. They are grounded, steady, and calm. Let your body feel that same weight, sinking into a state of total relaxation. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, and your mind become clear. Visualize a thin wisp of incense smoke rising slowly. Watch it dance and curl. This smoke represents your thoughts. Observe them as they rise, but don't hold on to them. Let each worry, each to-do list, and each doubt drift away with the smoke, dissolving into the air. You are the observer. You are the peace behind the thoughts. Stay in this silence for a moment. Feel the life within you, quiet and vibrant like the green leaves of a fern. As we prepare to finish, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Carry this Zen with you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for this time.